Hey everyone, this is Ditto from Reef to Reef. In this video, we're going to show how easy it is to configure feed mode for your skimmer using the GHL Control app. When I'm feeding inside my tank, I like to power down my skimmer. GHL makes this very easy with the use of feed pause modes. So let's get started. On your Android or Apple device, find the GHL Connect icon and open up the application. With the GHL Connection application open, you'll be presented with the devices configured for GHL Connect. Choose your ProfiLux controller. We need to first set the feed pause length of time. First, click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner and choose Extra Menu Options. A new set of menu options will appear. Now select Feed Pause. You'll be presented 4 feed mode options. By default, all the feed modes are enabled on your ProfiLux controller with the default interval of 5 minutes. You will also see a blue button that allows you to start any of the feed pause modes. Since this is a feed pause for my fish, I'm going to set the duration on the feed pause 1 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to type in a description of feed fish. With everything now entered, I'm going to click the Save button. Now we need to select the switch channel, which will impact the feed pause option. Click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Click on the small blue arrow next to the extras to go back one menu option. Now, click on the switch channel menu option. For my skimmer, it will be plugged into switch channel 2, which I need to be impacted now by the feed pause I just set up. Clicking on switch channel 2, we will be presented with options used to program the switch channel. Click on the function drop-down menu option. Now scroll down the menu list and choose Filter and choose function 1. This is feed pause 1, which I just programmed in the feed pause menu options earlier. Then click Save. You can test this very easily also within the app. To see that your feed pause is working, first click back in the upper left-hand corner. You will now see your list of switch channels. You will see that switch channel 2 is currently on. Let's activate the feed pause. Click on the hamburger icon and choose Dashboard. You will see your feed pause tile, and one of them will now be named the name we used in the description of the feed pause. Go ahead and click the feed pause mode. Upon clicking the feed pause mode, you will see the feed pause starting with a timer counting down. Click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner. Now select Switch Channels. You will now see that your switch channel 2 is now off and will remain off till the end of the feed pause timer. You can always override or turn off the feed pause timer by going back to your dashboard main menu and clicking back on the feed pause that you previously selected. And that's it. We have successfully configured a feed pause for our skimmer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, or as always, you can find me on Reef to Reef. This is Ditto, signing off.